Hi, today I'm producing Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere app. Now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, pick close, then just tap to OK. And here you'll see information about our battery temperature. In my case, that's 29 and 7 degrees. Also, we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.